I am Jan Angeli Adorable Sabadukia from BS Criminology, and today I'm going to explain the nature of communication by using of gibberish language. Before I explain the nature of communication, first I'm going to explain what's the meaning of gibberish language. Gibberish language is a word that is meaningless, or some may say it's nonsense. So when we talk about gibberish language, it's something like when you talk to someone, this kind of words, it is something like a secret language that only you or someone knew this language. So this is how it goes. Ashukala ako biday. Ashukala ako biday. Ashukala ako biday. Now I am going to explain to you what happened back there. The word I was saying is akubala akubiday. It was something like, do you want a glass of water? So since those kinds of words are really not language we use, language is something nonsense. When I told my mother na akubala akubiday, she was like, what? What was that? That word isn't understandable, right? So it's meaningless. Since those words isn't really understandable, my mother declined my offer, even though I hand gestured her the glass of water, and she didn't accept it because she didn't understand.
Now I'm going to explain the nature of communication. Communication is a process of sharing and conveying message or information from one person to another within cross-channel context. Communication is a process. Communication occurs between two or more people. Communication can be expressed through written or spoken words, actions at the same time, non-verbal or verbal. The elements of communication, we have speaker, message, the encoding, channel, decoding, receiver, the feedback, context, and also the barrier. Again, we have the speaker, the message, encoding, the channel, decoding, receiver, and the feedback, the context, the barrier.